Just got out here, set up about 10 minutes. Auger broke. Had to have some guys help us out with the flag. I mean, drilling us some holes. Not even 10 minutes out here. Another long trek out here.
Block run at least.
Some of the folks that drilled their holes. Got it? That's how it's done. That's how it's done, folks.
Yeah, the fucking beads.
Hold them up, Jess. Another 4-pounder.
Oh, look at that. Got the shiner, too.
Even got the shiner. So we do it out here in Wisconsin, folks.
Shiner's still alive, too.
Shiner's still alive. I forgot the bait even. Not even 10 minutes into it, folks. Out here in Lake Onalaska.
I didn't even need one.
And you grab